mean, one is not placed here for purposes of, he's not accused. That we are not accusers. We are simply listening and investigating. I need him to address us from the point of investigations. I mean, really, we are merely investigating as provided for under Article 230. There is nothing like fair hearing, actually. In any case, we actually provide that time to be had. However, it is simply investigative. How do you relink that between the Article 50 and the standing order? Our powers are limited by standing order number 234.
So, on the question of fair hearing, immediately, and take this one to the bank, immediately you say it is quasi-judicial. Article 50 sets in automatically. And there are several court cases on that. Of course, I don't have them here, but I litigate. This is my 22nd year in practice. And in that, my short period of 22 years in practice, I have known that the people who adhere to the Constitution has got longevity, and they outlive those people who don't want to adhere to the Constitution and the rule of law.
When they were here, when we were providing our petition, they aligned themselves to a political divide that is saying that they will institute chaos as from Wednesday to stop our petitions. And in that line, Chair, we ask you to expedite these hearings so that justice is not delayed and this process is not politically hijacked. We are aware that even Council was consulting with them, and therefore we are asking you that fair hearing will be instituted at the tribunal.